Hi there. Today we're going to take a look at how to check the estimated ink levels within your Epson XP-3200. And this is nice and simple, done from the printer itself, using nothing but the control panel found here. You don't need to even have an attached PC or laptop. So, to get started, we need to be on the home screen of the printer, which looks like this. If you're not already here, there's a home button to be taken here. Now we're going to use the right-hand arrow on the control panel. I'm going to press it repeatedly until we get to settings. Once you see settings, we press OK to go in. And supply status is the very first option. So we press OK again to go into that. Now you have two options here, ink level and the maintenance box. The maintenance box needs changing much less frequently, but the steps we've taken here will show us how to do that if that's what you want. I'm going to go into ink levels since that's the most common. And here we have a visual representation of how much black, cyan, magenta and yellow ink your printer thinks it has within each of the ink cartridges. You have the option to replace now if needs be, but most of the time I find when people are looking for this, it's due to a print quality issue and they just want to see how much ink the printer thinks it has left in there. Now, low ink levels in each of these cartridges are actually unlikely to cause print quality in themselves because the cartridges are fairly passive and your printer will ask you to replace them even when there's a little bit of residual ink in there anyway. If you are here because of a print quality issue, be sure to check out our separate videos on printing nozzle check test pages and running the cleaning cycles from your printer, as I'm sure those will be useful. What you're looking for here, but hopefully you found. If you have, let me know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to add, drop it down in those comments. Otherwise, take care and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.